One autoresponder alternative is called MailerLite. MailerLite does have a free plan, and in the free plan, you're going to have a subscriber limit of up to 1,000 subscribers. So if you just want to try it out, you can try it free for up to 1,000 subscribers. When you do that, you can send up to 12,000 emails per month. And so that's just a way for you to test the plan if you already have a list and you're already sending. You just want to find out if MailerLite is going to work for you. There are paid plans once you do that. They're all based on your subscribers. So they're going to scale based on the number of subscribers that you have, and you're going to be able to send unlimited emails. So this is another plan that you can send unlimited emails. They do have features for advanced and higher tier plans, and they do allow for affiliate marketing. However, they do have very strict parameters. This is going to be something that you want to confirm with MailerLite before you start to use them to determine if the kind of affiliate marketing that you're doing is going to be acceptable to them. Once again, best practice is send people to your website and then send people on to the affiliate link from your website. In terms of list management, tagging and segmentation are both available. So you will be able to have separate lists, or you'll be able to manage one list with many tags. Now, MailerLite is like all of the other autoresponders. You're going to have to follow their activity, and it is very possible that you're going to get an email stating that they may have sending limits in the future. As of right now, they do not. So you want to be aware of that. You can have an individual to work with you. So if you need help managing your email with MailerLite, you can get someone in order to help you. So MailerLite is another alternative that gives you unlimited sending as of the recording of this video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.